Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to your Jupiter retrograde career reading. So I hope you know Jupiter is retrograding in the sign of Aquarius uh, and till 19th of November. So this reading is from 20th of August till 19th of September for these 30 days. Let's see. I'm going to use my Lenormand cards to find out how our career, money, business, and the other aspects which are related to practical matters getting affected this month because of Jupiter retrograde. If you hope you know that there is a full moon in Aquarius sign, so we'll have Jupiter and moon conjuncting for almost 2.5 days. So that may be affecting. That will help us to plan our creative aspect of life and create something in terms of our business, job, or do things creatively. All right, so I have already posted a relationship reading for the relationship influence of Jupiter retrograde. I hope you have watched. The link is there in the description box. I'll be drawing 3 by 3 9 card tableau. Let's see. Excuse me for the voice. This is for money. Okay, your willpower is very important. Mm. Okay. All right. So, some technique that I applied this month was I just to understand what is it that I missed in the month of August. What I did was I went back to all my readings like August monthly reading part 1, part 2, Saturn retrograde reading, Jupiter retrograde readings that were for the month of August, because we are still left with around 8-10 days in August. So what I did was I chose a different set of cards just to know what did I not choose. What if I would have chosen another set of karma, and what is it that I can still do in August month, because August month is very important, because it is opening um, another time portal for all of us, and it is actually helping us to move into a completely different set of completely new sphere of our life if we really choose a different set of karma. And so that is why I did that. So I request you to go back to all those readings. The links are there in the description box, and choose another set of the other option of card decks, and just see what was underneath you that you did not see from that perspective. Okay. All right, coming back to our reading, for this is Jupiter retrograde's effect on career and money. Good thing about it is the very first card is Bear. Bear is a very strong, important card, but when it is at the first position, it actually is your card. It's a card which says that it is very important for you to be strong, determined, courageous, and it's a game of willpower. And now that when willpower comes in a matter of security, because our last card is Anchor. So Anchor is all about your solid foundation. This is about your willpower or something which is strong. So it is very important that your foundation is very strong. Please make sure that this Jupiter retrograde is going to check this part of you, and that is why you need to really re-evaluate, because we have Sun in the center. So Sun is a card of healing, it's brightness, seeing things through. So it is going to, and also it is a new beginning card. So, a beginning towards a newer foundation, beginning towards making things even more, or rather consolidating things, adding more quality and quantity and life to something that we are doing, because this is a card of security. So, adding light to it, more brightness to it, and that is why you need more of willpower, because probably you are like you have been doing things mechanically and that won't work. You need to change that. Why? Because we have sickle here. So sickle is scythe basically, so it is all about that sudden change in that important matter, because we also have letter is yet another important communication that comes your way, and about an important project, because moon is here. Some sort of recognition is here. So there is something very important towards the left side, and something which but something which may get delayed. So that is why your foundation has to be really strong. So that's an overall thing, because here we are talking about, with Lily also there is career path coming into picture. So but there is one challenge, there are two challenging cards, one of delay and the other one is fox. Let's see how cards talk to each other here in this tableau. So I'll start with the first row, bear, scythe, that is sickle, and grave. So there is definitely a something that is something that is important for you, or something that you are very possessive about, or you're very protective about, is definitely going to change and come to an end. So, or else it is actually asking you to change, do the same thing in a better way, doing the same thing in a um, not in the older way. Okay, so coming out of the old mold, because scythe is a very sharp card. Grave is a card of ending or delay. So it is actually saying that there is some important matter that may get delayed, and it is asking you to end something, okay, so that you have a solid base. Okay, second row is a little challenging, because there is an important communication that comes in for a new beginning, or you see there is an opportunity that you see, or somebody sees you, but there is some sort of you're being told to be a little shrewd, clever, and be very slow, because we have some slow cards here. Grave is a slow and delay card. Fox is a very clever, slow, stealthy kind of a card. Now, just see if it is into your. There is uh, overall, if I talk about, there is something, some sort of recognition you're getting this month. But the cards are actually saying that you have to have your strong foot, best foot forward, and be slow in accepting something, because usually the right side talks about what finally should be. Okay. Um, the last row is definitely really good, because this is what finally comes into manifestation. So this L's format is what is the final outcome. This is what finally you think, and this is what finally happens. So that is clubbed in. So moon, lilies, moon is all about project, success, reputation, getting an opportunity, and lily is all about career path. Getting a card like bear and lily and fox um, in a career reading is all about very strong money matter, or job matter, or it can be a sudden shift in your profile also in the job. Okay. um, yeah. So yeah, so lily is all about career path. Okay, and anchor is stay with that. So you are getting some reputation, you're getting some sort of success or some sort of promotion, and that will give you a strong base. You have to be really slow when it comes to making any sudden change, because we have Scythe with Grave. That means some change that happens. Make a strategic change rather than a sudden change, because Grave is actually talking about don't do things, um, in haste. Okay. Coming on to the diagonals, it is Bear, Sun, and Anchor. I think we have read all this first diagonal. It is all about that strong foundation. To really see through your strong foundation, make strategic changes, because we have Fox here, and be slow in accepting any of the newer offer. Rather work on your solid grounding. Choose the one which gives you a better grounding, rather than just moving on because somebody is paying you more money, or maybe some place you like, or some profile you wanted to work, or whatever it is. Okay, you have to see things from the perspective of your career path, what you wanted to do. That has to be your center. Okay, because there is a sudden shift in your profile, sudden shift in your career matters. And you have to be really you have to really think through, because there is something ending, suddenly something is ending, and that is happening for a better future, or better solid foundation. But at this point of time, your very first card was to have that determination, willpower, and that solid grounding. Okay, so there is definitely a change happening. You're being asked to slow and see through things, because also, in case there is a job shift, if it's a job shift, a card like Fox and Anchor, when these combinations come, it is a card of staying with that job rather than, making that change. And that is what the Grave card is also saying: delay the change, stay. Okay. um okay, another diagonal is Moon, Sun. So Moon and Sun is also a card of male and female, so it can be some partnership. There can be some partnership coming to an end, or maybe if you are trying to collab with somebody, that may get delayed. um yeah. So this is recognition which can get delayed, a partnership that can get delayed, or delay it. Rather than that, it can be a suggestion that the cards are giving, that delay that. Okay, or maybe a collaboration will come to an end, or it won't work out. um, or you need to choose another time to do that collaboration or partnership. Okay. Let us read the columns now. Bear, Letter, and Moon is a strong communication of some project coming up in your business, or job matters, a legal matter, probably, a contract or something. The second row is Scythe, Sun, and Lily. So there is this kind of Sun is a bright and a slow card. Lily is a slow card. Sun is also a career, government, something very stable kind of. When Sun comes with Lily, it is actually a very stable job or career or whatever. There's a sudden shift in that. Okay, because there is Scythe. Okay, so just be very careful. Just do not take any haste decision when it comes to, oh wow, I'm getting more money, oh wow, this will happen. You have to be really slow. This is what is confirmed by the last row, which is Grave, Fox, and Anchor, which we anyways read. Is all about delay the shift rather than that stay with it, stay with the job, because Fox also talks about corporate employment or employee or something of that sort, because it is coming with Sun and Lily. Lily and Fox is also somebody who is who is an employee. um, yeah, and it can be a okay, there are other geometrical combinations that I'm getting. You may get promotion. Okay. just be very clear in your communication with the person, with your bosses, because your boss may give you some sort of promotion, recognition. So you can accept it. It's just that the cards are saying that you should be very clear about the terms and conditions of that promotion. The other triangle that I'm seeing is grave, letter, and anchor. So there is yeah, so there is an ending that is happening for you, for a solid grounding, for your security, for your betterment, for your forward movement. So Sun is also a card of hope. So that being your center card, um, gives me some sort of relief in terms of that, even if something happens, you will be able to see through. Okay, you have to be slow. Sun takes the whole day, from morning to evening, to you know cross from left of yours to right of yours. So just take your time to decide and communicate and negotiate and talk. Okay, here we do not have the bird card, so negotiation won't happen. It's a formal communication that will happen. So the way the communication and recognition is coming, the similar way, just hold that dialogue. Okay. Let me see. Okay, we have a diagonal here also, which is letter, scythe, fox, and lily. Yeah, so there's a communication coming your way for a change in life path or change in your job. Now, what you do ultimately is, cards are actually suggesting you to be a little shrewd, clever, silent about it, delay the process, and see things from your career path angle and from the angle of security, not from the angle of just money or something, because seeing that brightness, things will come to light, is what the Sun card is. So this whole month you will see changes, but you have to also see that you do not change immediately. You take your time, hold dialogue, just don't do anything in haste when it comes to your business or project or something. Okay. um Anything else if I have? Yeah, I think I have covered all the possible. Okay, one thing that I did not cover is bear, grave, moon, anchor. So, yeah, it again suggests that, you will be a little mentally disturbed about this change happening. But the cards are suggesting you to have strong willpower, because your security, your base, um, is important. So firstly, just see that you have a solid foundation. You have, before leaving a job, we always see how much savings we have, right? So if you're traveling outside the country, you will always see how much bank balance you're carrying with you. So this is, and that is very important matter. Similar is what is bear and anchor trying to tell me, with grave and moon, which is an important ending. Something is ending, or something is getting delayed, or some, maybe you got a project and now it is getting delayed, they are not communicating. So for, in that matter, if that is the case, because these four cards were suggesting that, if that is what is resonating with you, then take time, do talk to them. But I think only dialogue will help. No negotiation can be done in this case. So I think this month is more about slowing down when it comes to making any major change. Otherwise, whatever normal routine has been going on, because fox is also about that normal routine that we follow in our life. So just carry on with that. All right. So yeah, that's what I have for you. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please share it with your loved ones, and stay tuned for more videos. Please take care. Bye.